The waterbuck, nature's water-resistant wonder. 1. Waterbucks are not great swimmers, despite their name. They're more like land bucks that occasionally dip their toes in the water. 2. Waterbucks are known for their shaggy coats and long, curved horns. They look like they just walked out of a hair salon for wild animals. 3. Males can weigh up to 600 pounds, while females are around half that size. Talk about a gender gap. 4. They have a gland on their rump that secretes a waxy substance, which is thought to help waterproof their fur. 5. Waterbucks are known for their excellent hearing and eyesight, which helps them stay alert for any potential danger. Thanks for watching.